Hi there everyone and welcome to the Weather Centre. A cold front is still moving across the southern parts of the country today, and behind it showers are pushing in along the western coastline and the adjacent interior. That will take place mainly at first, but we will see some clearance later on. Sunny and hot for the northern parts of the country, and by this evening we will see some cloud development into the central parts of the country, but no rainfall expected for those areas. Behind the cold front, a bit of an onshore flow pushes into parts of the Eastern Cape for tonight, and a bit of light rain will be possible in some areas. We'll take a closer look at that in just a moment. One warning has been issued for today. That's for a high fire danger affecting some parts of the central and southern interior. A hot, dry and windy day across the region could result in runaway fires developing. Here's that rainfall probability map, and there we see isolated showers affecting parts of the western coastline quite far into the adjacent interior. The highest probability for today over the Cape Winelands because of the mountains in the area. Those showers are going to push up against those. Over the Eastern Cape, there we see evening rainfall possible around East London towards King Williamstown, not quite reaching Umtata just yet. A little bit of drizzle possible much later on tonight for that area. Let's move ahead to your temperatures, and it's going to be a hotter day in the northern parts, in particular for the Lowveld. Palabora reaches a high of 37 degrees. Hot as well for the Free State as well as KwaZulu-Natal. Pietermaritzburg gets to 36 this afternoon, and Ladysmith a high of 34 degrees. Along the eastern coastline, light southerly winds are making their way up the region. Durban at about 10 kilometers per hour, while a northeaster will still be blowing for Richards Bay. Low swells at 1.5 meters coming in from the east. For the southern interior, feeling the effects of the cold front for today, a cooler day for Beaufort West and Oudtshoorn with a high of 27 degrees. Southwesterly winds are going to affect the Garden Route coast for today. A 2.5 meter swell is going to come in from the southwest. Further westwards, on the other hand, we still see a northwesterly wind blowing from Muizenberg and Hermanus. That's because another cold front is still approaching the area. Cool over the western high ground of the northern Cape for today. Calvinia reaching a high of only 19. And along the west coast, we're expecting northwesterly winds to continue for Langebaan and Cape Town. Further northwards, a southwesterly wind is going to be blowing for Alexander Bay. Swell heights 3 meters in the north, but reaching 4 meters for Cape Town and the surrounding areas. Let's take a look at tomorrow's weather conditions, and it's going to be mainly cloudy along the Eastern Cape coastline with light rain. Sunny and hot for the northern parts of the country. Johannesburg gets to 31, and we'll see a slight warming trend along the west coast. That's all from the Weather Centre. Enjoy the rest of your Wednesday.